ladies and gentlemen, let's hear from the CEO, Retailers Association of India, Mr. Kumar Raj Gopalan, sir. Please join, sir. Everybody make a huge round of applause.
Good evening and namaskar. Namaskar कीजिएगा. So thank you for coming in. I can see that the number of chairs are now getting filled in this place. अब थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने किसी से पूछा कि यार अब तक लोग आए नहीं हैं, बात क्या है, और उनसे कहा गया कि ये आसान है, लाहा लाहा काम चलेगा. तो लाहा लाहा चल रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी लोग तो बढ़ गए हैं. So thank you very much. आप लोगों ने टाइम निकाला यहाँ पर आने के लिए. मैं भी कुछ सीख रहा हूँ. I think मैं भी लाहा लाहा कुछ सीखूंगा. लाहे लाहे. लाहे लाहे. Okay, लाहे लाहे. So लाहे लाहे. Okay. So the advantage of coming together is that you learn from each other something new. The advantage also is that you get to bridge the gaps in our knowledge. The advantage is to try and connect and converse with each other and to try and see whether we can make the total size of the pie much larger. I think Mr. Kurian's already talked about how things can grow. He's spoken about how it can grow. Under the circumstances, I think it's important for all of us to believe that the business and the size of the pie will get bigger. So what is happening to customers all around us? I think that's important if we have to do the business of retail. The customers are doing what I call as a concept called PAVE. So they are saying P is for personalization. So they are saying मुझे पहचानो, मुझे जो चाहिए वो दो, मुझे जो नहीं चाहिए आपने अगर ऑफर किया तो मैं आपको ब्लॉक कर दूंगा या तो फिर आपको स्पैम में डालूंगा. So yeah, this is what the customers are saying. The second thing that they are saying is that be accurate. आपने बताया कि आप देंगे तो please give it to me. If do not promise me something and not deliver it to me, that's not acceptable. So that's the other part. The third part is important because fast. They don't have time anymore. I know it's a bit of a foreign concept at times, thinking why should it be fast? But the fact is that all of us, individually, if you look at yourselves as customers, the minute you make up your mind that you want to get something and you think you've got the money with you, then you want it now. That's the human tendency, right? एक बार मन में आ गया कि मुझे चाहिए तो मुझे अभी चाहिए. I will go to the place where I can get it really fast. And that's what is happening now with all the quick delivery platforms. In fact, I was trying to see if I can get quick delivery from Swiggy here today. I wasn't able to find it. I don't know whether Swiggy started its quick commerce here, but it will start. And some of you may also have to kind of compete with quick commerce because customers बताएंगे कि यार मुझे तो 10 मिनट में मिल रहा है दूध, तो मैं आपसे क्यों खरीदूं? Be it Swiggy or be it Blinkit or be it Big Basket, or one of you who create that market, but customer is getting and looking at things to become very fast. उनको किसी से बात करना है तो वो तो सोचते भी नहीं है कि कब तक रुकेंगे. उनको पता है कि WhatsApp पे तुरंत बात कर सकते हैं या तो फिर दूसरा कोई लिंक भेज करके बात कर सकते हैं. I think the fact of that we all went through COVID also has taught us new methods of connecting with each other digitally. So that's the other thing that's happening. So that's the fast part of it. And the last part is about everywhere. They really want to buy you online, they want to buy you offline, they want to buy even when they are traveling somewhere. They want to see if they can order online and get delivery offline. मैं शाम को ऑफिस से निकलते समय ऑर्डर करूँगा, जब बाजू में पहुँचूंगा तो आप दुकान में तैयार रखिए, मैं माल लेकर के जाऊँगा. So I think this is what is happening to consumers. And if we have to be in touch with them, we have to see whether our businesses are testing this PAVE concept. If we are not, I think we'll have to learn and do new things. So that's one thing. The other thing is, where are we as businesses, as individuals? The fact is that customers have become global. They are also expecting everything at a global level available to them at the depths of the country. Whatever is happening from an infrastructure perspective, I think our systems are getting generated or created to see that they are going to make sure that infrastructure will happen. Today in the morning, I read in the newspaper that the Northeast is going to get some 4,000 odd crores for pure infrastructure development from the center, complete contribution from the center. Now, whatever happens with that is going to really dramatically change the way consumption happens in this country. So now again, the question is, are we going to keep pace? So for many of us who've always done businesses for a long time, when we just think कि हमको पता है इधर पर क्या चाहिए, things completely change. everything changes for us. In fact, the thing that retailers are not allowed to do is to age. I mean, I keep telling all my friends in retail, yeah, कुछ भी हो तुम्हारा उम्र बढ़ना नहीं चाहिए. भले on paper you may be now 40, you may be 50, you may be 60, but the thinking process has to be like a 16-year-old or 18-year-old. Otherwise, you are going to lose out in the retail market because that's what the customers are doing, right? Up to मेरे mother-in-law wants to buy items in the depths of Coimbatore in 7 minutes time. तो she is telling me 7 मिनट में नहीं मिला बिग बास्केट से तो मैं नहीं खरीदूंगी. तो बाजू में जो दुकान खोल करके बैठा हो तो सोच रहा है इसको क्या बताया, मुझे नारियल चाहिए, वो बोल रही है नारियल पानी भी मैं 7 मिनट में मंगाऊंगी बिग बास्केट से क्योंकि मुझे डेप्थ्स ऑफ कोयम्बतूर में मिल रहा है. So this is what is happening to all of us. I think retail has to really change itself, think differently. It is as global as it gets, but it's also as local as it gets. Some of you are also going to see that the government is doing what it's doing. Last time we spoke about open network for digital commerce. I am part of the advisory board there, and I can see that the government is wanting to make sure that every single retailer is enabled e-commerce methodology. They are enabled to be able to showcase what they have to their own customers. The beauty is that customers can choose whom they are buying it from. It's not like मैंने सिर्फ Amazon से खरीदा, मैंने लालजी एंड कंपनी से खरीदा, मैंने दूध कृष्णा एंटरप्राइजेस से खरीदा. This is what customers want because that's where trust lies. So every one of us have created trust-based businesses. I think technology will help us to take it to the next level, but trust is still the basis of retail, and that we cannot run away from. And to last, I think I'm very thankful that all of you have come. Laila, birth ho gaya. Big round of applause to all of you. I think we'll sit here and learn something. At the end of it, हम सब मिलकर के इतना बड़ा मार्केट बनाएंगे कि लोगों को मजा आएगा यहाँ आने के लिए. I thank sincere thanks to each one of you who believed in this. Some of you have really put some money and time to this, and I think it's from Retailers Association of India. My duty to promise you that Retailers Association is owned by all of you. We are just people who represent RAI as employees of RAI, but the fact is that it's an association by members. It's a not-for-profit association. The only job of Retailers Association is to create a market that will benefit all of us in a democratic way. Thank you very much.